The Seenda 7-color backlit wireless keyboard with a mad model number. Let's get this thing unboxed and see whether it's actually worth any of your money. Alright people, what's good? Tech Jamo straight review ting. We got the Seenda 7-color backlit wireless keyboard here. It's supposed to be slim and thin and sexy. It's supposed to be backlit, although I'm not sure it's RGB. Can I just say big shout out to Seenda for hooking it up? Let me see how much it is on Amazon. I think we're looking at $38.98 on Amazon. Or they got a rose gold version for $26.98. Now I would just go for the rose gold version because of the price, but let's see what the quality is saying. Okay, I understand. Now this is looking kind of sexy, I'm not gonna lie. You got, ooh, and it feels like the whole thing is made of metal, fam. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Look how thin it is. Damn. This will look sexy at the workstation. This will definitely look sexy at the workstation. Now what have we got here? We've got some on and off button going on there. We've got a Type-C USB port. And I think that's about it for the keyboard. Now, from what I can see here, it can connect to 4 different Bluetooth devices, and it can also connect to your PC or whatever device you want via USB-C, assuming that device probably has a USB-C port. But yeah, no, it looks nice. It's got rubber feet. There's no option to raise the angle that the keyboard sits on the desk. But yeah, no, it looks decent. Let me just see what else is in the box. And a USB. We got a USB and the keyboard. That's cool, because that's all we need. Right, so let's try and connect this to my Galaxy Fold 3. Where do I go into? Let's go into Bluetooth devices. Leave that there. And how do we turn this thing on now? By the little on switch there. So that's we've got all different colors going on now at the moment. Now I think if I hold the FN plus the Bluetooth button and we hold that for a while, we should be able to now click scan on my phone and find the Bluetooth keyboard device. But I can't right now. It's a bit awkward. Let's hold the Bluetooth button down and see. Yeah, there we go. We've got the Bluetooth button flashing now. And yeah, we've just got a keyboard pop up on my Bluetooth devices. Bluetooth 5.1 keyboard, yes please. Yes please, pair that. And there we go guys, that's it. So that is paired to my phone now. If I go to, I don't know, what should we go to? Let's go to notes or something. Now let's get a little feel for the typing speed and the sound when typing. Alright guys, so yeah, you heard the typing. I feel the typing speed, my typing speed is rubbish by the way, but the general typing speed on this feels decent, feels like any other keyboard. It feels nice and clicky. Every button is giving me a little bit of tactile feedback when I click, even though it's not mechanical. Yeah, generally typing on this feels good. And because of the good materials that are used for this, I'm not sure if it's metal or some kind of metallic plastic or whatever's going on here, but there's hardly any flex in the keyboard at all. It feels proper sturdy. A little bit of flex, as you can see here. A little bit if I proper turn it, but you're not going to be doing this to your keyboard. Whilst it's on the surface, there is hardly any flex at all. And you know, that's what you really need when you're typing. Now it is backlit and it does have different color lights, but the lights are not RGB and it's not per key backlit. So every key has to be the same color of backlighting kind of thing. It's not like other RGB keyboards where you can have, I don't know, the Q red, the W green, the E blue, and so on and so forth kind of thing, and get that rainbow effect going along the keyboard. But still, you know, this is more of an office type keyboard. It does its thing. You can see it at night. It's just not flashy. It's not a gamer keyboard. And to be honest, it's not really marketed as a gamer keyboard anyway. I think this is perfect for a multi-device Bluetooth setup. Like, let's say you have your tablet over here, you have your PC over here, you have your phone over here. You can literally switch between all 4 or 3 of those devices by tapping a button, and pairing it is nice and simple too. You literally just hold the Bluetooth button down and it goes into pairing mode for that Bluetooth key. Fam, it's nice and simple, it's cheap, it's cheerful, and most importantly, it works. But anyway, that's my 2 pence. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And if you do like content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, and hit that like button for that young YouTube algorithm. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bless out.